beginning. It's Saving the Sea Turtle. And it's a Webquest for 9th grade students. The lesson is English, and it's probably going to take place in about 4 teaching hours. Basically, this Webquest takes place after a school excursion our students went on. Start with a question. You remember your school excursion to Archelon is an organization for the protection of sea turtles in your area, Persia Bay. We went there, they found out a couple of things about sea turtles, they were intrigued, they really wanted to help. So I decided to take this and use it to our advantage in order to create Webquest. So I end the introduction by saying, well, now it's time to do something about it, and this Webquest will help you. So I just give them the task, and you're going to use the Webquest to find out more information about sea turtles, the dangers they face, and prevention measures we can take to protect them. Then you will create 2 things, a poster and a leaflet, in order to inform fellow students about the problem, urging them to take action. Process. Well, first, you will be divided into 4 teams of 5 students, and I've given them names, turtle names. Loggerhead Sea Turtle Group, they're the red group. I've chosen different colors so they can know which group they are. They like colors, they like the names. Leatherback Sea Turtle Group, the Green Sea Turtle Group, and Olive Ridley Sea Turtle Group. Then each group, each member will have to assign roles. We'll have the leader, the timer, the recorder, the presenter, and the checker. So each member will have one of these roles. Then the brainstorming process takes place. They will talk about what they have learned from their excursion about sea turtles, general information, how turtles breed, the dangers and prevention measures. And then they need to rank the dangers and prevention measures in order of importance. The next stage. All groups watch the same video. I give them the link, but they have to focus on something different. For example, the first group will focus on general information about turtles, the second group about the dangers they face, the third group about prevention measures, and the fourth one about how they breed. So it's very important to give them the same input, but with different information. They have to focus and try to find out the information that really matters to them. Then the next process is give them links, which mention everything. And they have to visit each of these links and try to find again the information that interests them. Finally, they're ready to create a poster. I also give them pictures, sites with pictures, so they can go there, find the pictures they like, and they create their posters. Then regarding the second task, they have to write short paragraphs, each groups, depending on their topic. And then they have to work together, join them, add more things, cut out some other things, in order to create a leaflet. They have to choose a title, choose the best pictures, and then they're ready. I've also used a rubric regarding evaluation. It was something done on the spot, so it's not really good. But I focused on cooperation, task completion, and of course, as there was writing involved, content, vocabulary, and grammar. So, given points, I say, for example, cooperation, the group did not cooperate well, so we just get 1 point. The group cooperated, but most work was done by 1 or 2 members, which is usually the case if they don't know how to work in groups. So they get 2 points. The group cooperated well, but 1 member was not willing to do so. They didn't manage to convince him to work, so they get 3 points. But all members within the group cooperated well, then they get maximum points. Something similar with task completion. The task was not completed, 1 point. The task was completed rather quickly, 2 points. The task was completed, but more time should have been spent, 3 points. And the task was completed in the given time, 4 points. Now, content. Not a lot of information was used, 1 point. Only information from a couple of sources was used, 2 points. Information was used, but not from all sources, 3 points, and all sources were used to find the necessary information, 4 points. Vocabulary. Use of vocabulary is not adequate to convey meaning, 1 point. Use of vocabulary is adequate to convey meaning, 2 points. A wide range of vocabulary is adequate to convey meaning, 3 points. And use of less common words and wide variety of lexical expressions to successfully convey meaning, maximum points. And finally, grammar. Use of basic forms is not adequate to convey meaning, 1 point. Use of basic forms is adequate to convey meaning, 2 points. Use of a range of correct forms is adequate to convey meaning, 3 points. And use of a wide range of correct forms to successfully convey meaning is 4 points. Finally, end the Webquest with congratulations. Through this Webquest, you managed to work together in groups to achieve a common goal. You found out more information about sea turtles, the dangers they face, and prevention measures we can take to protect them. Finally, you created a poster and leaflet and made your fellow students aware of the problem. Let's hope everyone gets involved in saving the sea turtles. And all the list of I provided throughout this Webquest are presented here in the credit section. So basically, this was it. Do you have any questions?
Great, I'm impressed. By the way, would you like to share your works? Because I can tell, the people who write the emails to share if you want to, so that you can have them if you want to. If not,
No problem.
no problem. Shall we share? Yes. Yes. Would you like to have them? The ones you present.